Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you something that will completely change the way you post content online. Imagine uploading one video and having it appear across Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and more, all at once. Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. The secret is a tool called ContentClaw. Let's be real. Posting consistently across multiple platforms is exhausting. You film a video, edit it, upload it to TikTok, then resize it for Instagram Reels, then reformat for YouTube Shorts, then copy captions for Twitter. By the time you're done, you're burned out. And here's the truth. Most creators quit before they ever see results because the workload is just too heavy. But what if you could automate all of that? ContentClaw is an AI-powered automation platform that takes one piece of content and blasts it across up to 15 different platforms every single day. Yes, 15. Here's how it works. You choose your niche. ContentClaw scans trending viral videos in that niche. It recreates fresh versions branded with your links. Then it schedules and posts them everywhere, automatically. No filming, no editing, no manual uploading. Let me walk you through it step by step. Step 1, log into the ContentClaw dashboard. Step 2, connect your accounts. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Reddit, Threads, Pinterest, you name it. Step 3, pick your niche. Maybe it's fitness, cooking, gaming, or even local business like plumbing or law. Step 4, add your monetization link. Affiliate store, booking page, e-commerce site. That's it. From there, ContentClaw finds trending content, analyzes its DNA, the script, the music, the energy, and recreates it in your brand voice. It even generates thumbnails, captions, and hashtags for each platform. Think about it. Instead of spending hours every day juggling uploads, you spend 20 minutes setting up campaigns and ContentClaw does the rest. Imagine waking up to see your video already live on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube with your affiliate link embedded. That's freedom. That's leverage. Here's why this matters. You get more reach because you're everywhere at once. You get more engagement because the content is already proven viral. You get more sales because every post includes your monetization link. And the algorithm loves it. When your video performs well on one platform, it snowballs across the others. That means more followers, more clicks, and more commissions without burning yourself out. All right, friends, that's it for today's video. I hope this opened your eyes to how easy it can be to post videos across multiple platforms at once. Work smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating, keep growing, and keep winning.